Hello guys, today I'm very emotional because I wanted to make Arabic pancakes. I didn't know I'm talented till I put myself into that thing of doing that Arabic thing, yeah? And it turned to be something else because I ended up doing something funny and good. And I came to know that I was supposed maybe to be an magician or artisan, if there is something of the sort, or creativity, or a designer, because I have designed the pancake. And this is what the Arabic thing was that it looked like. Forgive me. I'm so emotional and happy at the same time, okay? Let me show you the image. And this is how the Arabic pancake should look like. You see? This is how Arabic pancake or Omani pancake, the one they are, the small, the circle round, nice round, eh? Yes, like that. Let me show you mine. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't go anywhere. Because I have done marvelous. I made a fish. Fish. This is a fish. I made a calabash, which is used by Kalenjins in Kenya for putting murisik, and I was in a way of making round thing, yeah. Also, I have vest for chubby men. Vest. This is a vest. This one is almost looking like a map of Uganda. And then I have, I don't know in English, but it's called kigurumuki. Okay. And that's what I made today, and it's so emotional. The loudest was this one. The loudest was this. Those things are hard to make. Don't joke. If you see something being made by someone, respect. Ma. Bye.